As you all know, attorney Sweta Khandelwal has been coming on Satari TV and giving you immigration tips week after week. Well, we'd like to know a little bit more about her and her practice, so here's Sweta. Welcome to Satari TV, Sweta. Can you tell me a little bit more about your practice?
Hi, Kavita. First of all, I would like to thank Satari TV and the audience. The last 6 months have been awesome. I've received really good feedback from the audience, and I really made an effort to ensure that every episode conveyed some value to the audience. They got some useful information out of it. And it was just not about pitching myself and my practice, but in ensuring that the audience got something out of each episode. And I think to that extent, I believe my efforts were successful. And also, I thought that this is a sustainable way to grow my practice in the Bay Area, because when people see that they get value, they will come back for it. So it's been great. Thank you.
Sweta, we got a lot of positive feedback from the audience, and it was very beneficial for the community. I know you have a background in accounting and law, so tell me about that.
Yes, I'm actually a chartered accountant from India, which many of you may know is like a CPA in the US. And I find that this background of accounting, the knowledge and experience, is really helpful, particularly when I do business immigration. Because a lot of visas, like business visas, like the EB-5 and the E-visas, which many e-visas are not available for the Indian nationals, but they are for people from many other countries. It really requires an extensive understanding of accounts, financial statements, operating results of the companies. And this background has really helped. It allows me to give a lot of value to my clients. And also, I did my master's in law from UCLA, where I had immigration as my core subject and business law. So I think together my background really helps me providing insightful advice to my clients.
Sweta, I believe you are quite active in the professional community as well. You're recently recognized by the Silicon Valley chapter of the American Immigration Lawyers Association. Congratulations.
Thank you. Yes, I think it's very important for attorneys to be very intrinsically connected to the professional community. The American Immigration Lawyers Association, which is popularly called the AILA, it's the largest association of immigration attorneys in the US. There are about 80 chapters all over the US. Silicon Valley chapter is one of them. And of course, it's a very active chapter because business is based in Silicon Valley, right? So I was recently recognized for my contribution to the chapter in the last year. And I would like to share with Sithari and the audience that I have been elected as the chair-elect for the coming year, and I'll be the chair for the year after. So this is a great opportunity for me to give back to the community and also to keep myself professionally ahead. And I think it really benefits your clients because the clients do get a lot of mileage and benefit from an attorney who's well linked within the professional network.
Sweta, you've been an immigration attorney for the past 5 years, and you've recently started your own law practice for about 1.5 years. What prompted you to start your own practice, and how has it been so far?
It's been great. It's been a great journey so far. And the reason that I wanted to start my own practice was because I believe the big law firms, they're basically geared towards the needs of big clients. I thought there is a space where people, individuals, startup businesses, small businesses, they're looking for solutions that are customized for them, that work for them, and an attorney who's willing to work with them and arrive at creative solutions for them. So that was the idea that prompted me to go into my own practice. I look forward to, growing my practice into a boutique immigration firm where I can meet the needs of my clients on a one-on-one basis. And things have been going great so far. It's just been 1.5 years, and already I believe my efforts have been recognized by the community. I've been recognized by the professional community as well. The website AVO, which is one of the most highly rated websites for rating lawyers and doctors, has ranked me on a scale of 9.2 out of 10, and I'm really excited about that. And that's just been in the as a result of the efforts of the last 1.5 years. So I'm sure I have a long way to go, and it's been a great beginning.
Great, that's excellent. Sweta, what are your plans for your professional practice? Can you share some of them with us?
Yes, I have some new plans. I'm excited about them. First, I'm working to have a really good website up. I have one currently, but that's more for informational purposes. This website is going to have a lot of useful information for people, apart from working as a marketing tool for my practice. So stay tuned. It should be up in about a month. I also have a new logo, and if you see, it's designed by myself with some creative input from people, and I think it really symbolizes my practice well. It's about me. It's about global migration and cross-border movement of people. So it's a fresh new approach, and I'm excited to work on these new efforts.
Great. Shweta, in the past year and a half, what has been one of the most rewarding and memorable memories you have of serving your clients?
Uh, that's a nice question. I think one of the most rewarding memories has been associated with individual businesses. I've had people come up and tell me stuff like you've changed the way we think about lawyers, or having a good immigration attorney is more than half your work done. So when clients come to me without really knowing whether this particular thing is going to click for them or not, and I can find a way for them which works according to the means that are available to them, that's like really satisfying. You get a feeling that you are a part in their professional success as well, because honestly, if you don't have the right visa to work here, all your efforts really won't go a long way. So I think being a part of the professional success of my clients is one of the most rewarding things that I've experienced in the last year.
Shweta, thank you for being part of Sitare TV, and we hope that we have contributed to your success.
Thank you, Kavita, and I hope to continue this partnership in some way or the other in the future too. So thank you for giving me this chance.